There it is. It's touching down right there in front of me. There it is. Oh my God. There it is. Oh my God, it's on the ground. It is on the ground. God. Oh my God. Over here, man! It's coming right for us! It's coming right for us, man! Hey, you better take cover! Come on over here! Where you at? Man, I'm coming right for us! Man, it might be too late for this. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Take a picture of it.
Oh, I've got the whole video of it. Oh, it's still way back there.
Yeah.
That's unbelievable.
The target area commute on May 31st, 2013 was a grim reminder of the potential destruction a volatile atmosphere can unleash. Just 11 days prior, a killer EF5 tornado ended the lives of 23 people, injured almost 400 and destroyed over 12,000 homes as it ripped a mile-wide path through Moore, Oklahoma. No one would have imagined that this day would see a tornado more than twice that size. Here we are positioned on the dry line just west of El Reno, Oklahoma, awaiting initiation. Earlier this morning, the Storm Prediction Center issued a loaded gun warning for Oklahoma City and surrounding area.
Whoa, man, that was a jump.
It's alright.
Mother Nature was showing her teeth, and unlike this female bull snake, it was not a compelling bluff. This grumpy girl is just eager to get to her underground shelter where she and her belly full of eggs can help the local farmers control the rodent population.
Whoa, hey. Alright, we're gonna let her go.
At 4:37 p.m., 3 small cells sprung up on radar. 12 minutes later achieved severe status. Here we are keeping an eye on all 3 bases that eventually join forces to become one organized storm. We were headed south a few miles to get a better view of the storm, but had to stop and help a panicked snapping turtle sitting in the road. The storm had hardly moved, but was intensifying fast, and by 5:38, the brilliant minds at the Storm Prediction Center issued a tornado warning. Now we are about to witness the birth of a record-breaking tornado that will eventually grow to over 2.5 miles wide.
It's gonna get really ugly really fast here. God. This is ugly. I gotta stop and take some pictures.
Multiple vortex tornadoes moving faster, growing in size, while tailgating the line of other vehicles, calculated to kill kids, despite the car headed this way.
We're going sideways, and there's a tornado next to me. People are gonna die today. Might be me. That's a massive tornado right there. Rapid rain.
They were blasting us, trying to catch up to Austin. Hard. Had to stop and help them.
What's your phone number? Hold on, who we calling? You're fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. 918.
This clip reveals man's best friend's eternal struggle with loyalty and self-preservation.
Get into shelter. Do you have shelter here? The word is passed. Get in. Everything's fine.
The house is right across the street from the airport. It's my house.
It happened right next to you. You're fine. Well, their phone is ringing, so here I gotta roll up the window because your ears getting.
At this point, the tornado is at peak width, a 2.6 mile wide EF5, the widest tornado ever recorded. From my perspective, that appeared to be the end of the tornado's life. However, several other areas of strong rotation are now evident on radar, including a massive circulation complete with an eye entering Oklahoma City,
which is south of the Mustang area out there and runs over by the airport. That is just a traffic jam there right now.
All right, this thing's heading right for Oklahoma City. It's 6:45, and I'm not going to follow it into Oklahoma City and get stuck. There's another rapid rotation